Hello, hello everybody, hello. I am back with another channel. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to do a very heat-proof summer for the makeup. It is freaking hot outside, and yesterday it was like 110 degrees. It was pretty crazy, so I decided to do this heat-proof for you guys. I normally, when it's really hot weather, I don't like to go fully glam. A little bit of makeup, but I also want to look very nice, and but if you're going to the park, I suggest you to wear something less, because, or if you're gonna be out swimming or stuff like that, wear less makeup and wear more waterproof makeup. When you're out in the sun way too much, it's better off to just wear less makeup. If you are going to the mall or running errands or stuff like that, then it's better just to like wear less makeup. Also wearing products that is heat proof for the sun, because it is freaking hot. Even though you get in the vehicle, it is way hot. Even though you turn on the AC, it is still hot. So normally I put it all the way max, just want the AC just blowing on me, just get that going. That's what I like. Anyways, so for this video, I'm gonna be showing you a heat-proof makeup. If you guys are new, my name is Thalia Reyes, and welcome to my channel. You guys are always welcome, and yeah. So I'm gonna be using some of the products that I received. I just want to shout out to Kelsie and Steffanie. Thank you so much for the products. They're so amazing, and actually going to use it on this video, so let's see how that goes. But I just want to thank you girls so much. If you guys don't know who's Kelsie and Steffanie, they have a YouTube channel, and they do beauty, vlogging, fashion, and so much more. I'll link it down below for you guys to check them out. They do have a great content, and I just love watching their videos because I love their ideas. I love how they do their makeup, and plus I like watching their vlogs. So who doesn't? It's very interesting. It's like if you're watching a TV show. For me, it's really interesting. I like it. I enjoy everyone's channels, and it's just fun to watch. Normally I watch more YouTube than cable, which is weird. YouTube and Netflix, but YouTube is my #1 to watch, and then my second go-to will be Netflix. Enough chit chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't hurt to just click on it. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any videos of mine. And yeah, so let's get on to the video, shall we? So first thing first, we are going to apply moisturizer. It is very, very important to apply moisturizer, because if you're going to be out in the sun way too much, it's always best to apply moisturizer. So I'm going to be using my Aveen Possibility Radiant Daily Moisturizer. This one has a sunscreen SPF 15. So I always like to apply this when it's really hot, because it is so hot, guys. So I'm just going to apply it on my face, all over my face, because honestly I just want it to be more protected from the sun. I don't want to get any sunburn. Plus, if you're wearing makeup, yeah, I will protect it, but I want to wear less makeup but look very glam in some way. Next, for primer, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer Base and Tint, and I'm actually going to focus on the like my T-zone, where I have more pores. So I'm actually going to apply it like on my cheekbones and my nose, because that's where I get more pores out of that, and my chin. Not everywhere, because not everywhere I do have that, but and especially my forehead. So have you noticed, I feel like 4 pimples wanted to join the family. Anyway, so I've just have those 4 pimples, which is really annoying me, but there's nothing I cannot do about it. Next, I'm going to be taking my Mara Badescu skincare spray. I do want my face to be very hydrated, very nice. I'm just gonna spray that all over my face. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. This one's actually a light to medium sheer tint. Since I don't want to go foundation, like I said, I'm going to be running errands. I'm going to be out way too much in the sun, you know, in and out of the stores, riding my car. So I'm going to be taking my BB cream, and I'm actually just going to use my fingers. My hands are very clean. I just washed them, just to let you know. So I'm just going to take this much, and I'm actually going to apply it all over my face. Please ignore my pimples. Yeah, I know it looks very ugly, but there's nothing I can do about it. Now I'm just gonna like blend everything in with my fingers, because you know it's not really a foundation, it's just like a BB cream, and I just want to go like lightweight on the face. So obviously it did not cover everything. Like I said, I'm using a BB cream tinted sheer tinted rewind. So I'm just using this BB cream sheer tint. It's not a full coverage, it's just like moisturizer but has some color in it. I don't mind showing my pimples because I don't want to go that crazy on my face trying to worry about my foundation if it's sliding down. You know how that goes. I'm going to be taking my NARS concealer, and this is the shade Vanilla. I'm almost out of this, and I can't wait to use the full size concealer. And I'm actually not gonna go too crazy on the concealer. Just keep it very simple, very nice, you know. Just gonna take my beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. And I did spread it with the Marabadesquio, I think that's how you pronounce it, but I'm not so sure. And I'm just gonna blend everything out and just make it. I did apply my pimples just to, like, you know, so it won't be that noticeable because it is just out there and it's just really annoying. Now I'm just gonna take my Rimmel London Insta Fix Matte, and this one is just like a translucent powder, and I'm actually going to set my under eyes because they do constantly crease like crazy, and I don't want that to happen. Really, I don't want that to happen. So I'm just gonna take my sponge and then just press it. I'm not gonna bake because I mean I just want it to be very simple, especially like for a heat proof like a makeup tutorial for you guys when you're out there in the sun trying to stay strong, trying to fight the sun, trying to fight the sun so it won't ruin your makeup, you know, because you know who hates that. Put translucent powder on my eyelid because they do get kind of crazy if I don't set my eyelid. And just a little bit on my nose. It's just gonna be a very simple eyebrow routine. I'm not gonna like make it all nice and everything, so I guess I'll do one step for you guys, and then the other one just gonna do it off camera because they constantly take forever. So I'm just gonna be taking my Wet n Wild brow pencil, and this one is the shade Ash Brown. I just want it to be very simple. I did apply this brow pencil on Sunday because I went to the park, and honestly I had no problem with it. You know, there's some like eyebrows products that don't last you and they just like smear and slide around. With this one I had no issues with it, but like I said, everyone's different. We all use different brow pencils, let's put it that way. So with this one I had no problems with it, which is really amazing. And like I said, I'm not gonna put concealer and you know all that fancy stuff, so I'm just gonna do it a little bit like simple, just like pretty much like this. That is it. That's all I'm doing, guys. Simple as that. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Pixi shadow palette, and this is what it looks like. And I'm actually just going to use one shade because I don't want it to be very simple. Nothing too dramatic, you know. So just gonna be taking my Wet n Wild brush, and the first shade I'm going to be taking is this shade. And that one I'm just gonna like apply it everywhere. And basically all over my lid. Nothing too crazy. You know, it's great for the summer because it's just like I'm telling you. I went to the park Sunday afternoon around like 1:30ish or 2. I was wearing like basically like heat-proof makeup, and it was just so hot. I was freaking dying outside. More like it was like 110 degrees. It was just really crazy. I couldn't take the heat. I was like, I want to go home. So yeah, we went home because it was like an event for employees. There's like food and drinks and at the Wet n Wild park, but I couldn't stand the heat. Honestly, I couldn't, so I left early. Next, I'm going to be taking my Hoola stick bronzer, and I'm actually going to contour my face, apply it on my nose. I'm not a pro contouring my nose, just letting you know. Just like a little practice, you know. If it comes out great, it doesn't, oh well, at least I try, you know. I'm just going to blend everything out because I don't want it to look very nice. Just gonna do this, blend my nose because for some reason. Next, for bronzer, I'm going to be using my Butter bronzer, and for sure, but it smells so good every time I open this. And I'm just going to be taking my Wet n Wild contour brush. And I'm just going to bronze up my forehead just a little bit. Just a little bit. Not too much, you know. Not too much going on. Next for blush, I'm going to be using Next for blush, I'm going to be using my Pixi Glow and Powder Rum Rose blush. This is actually a pretty blush. Wet n Wild brush blush. Ooh, and it has this very glitterness. I love that. Really, really love that. Okay. Next for highlighter, I'm going to be taking my Hoola What's Up highlighter, and this one is soft focus. And with this cream highlighter, I'm actually going to apply it on my brow bone just to highlight the brow bone, just to make it very nice and very natural for the heat-proof. And I'm just gonna apply it in the other side. You can take your finger, you can take a brush, but I like to take the finger because it's much easier to work with and a little bit faster. And then I like to apply it on my nose and then down the bridge of my nose, on my cheekbones, and just make it look very nice, very glowy in the heat. I'm not going to put powder all over my face because one time I did that with the heat. It was so hot and my makeup was like sliding everywhere, and I applied powder and it was kind of hard to like try to fix it. And I feel like with the cream it's very easy to fix because you just grab your finger, you're like, okay, good, it's fixable, you know. Taking my brow gel, brown microfibers tinted brow gel. Do want my eyebrows to set and look fabulous. And yep, brows are done. Next for mascara, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline mascara. This one is actually waterproof, so I'm actually going to apply mascara and just make it look nice. And then for lips, I'm going to be taking my NYX liquid lip cream, and this one is the shade Life's a Beach. And I'll said the B word, bad word. I said beach. So this one's more like a coral pink shade. And then to set my whole face, I'm going to be using my Milani Make It Last Prime and Correct set for 16 hours of wear. So we're gonna make this last, guys. I'm just gonna take the little highlighter and I'm actually going to apply in my inner corner just to give a little pop up in the eye, because I do want it to, I don't know why, but I always like to add like something highlight in the inner corners. Just, it can look nice, very glam, you know, even though it's just a heat proof makeup, but you also want to look pretty for the heat proof, you know. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for the heat proof. Like I said, I make myself look very glam, but I did not use full coverage foundation. I just used like a very lightweight BB cream. It's very easy, honestly. It takes me like 10 minutes to do this, you know, without the video filming, but this is really easy. I just add like a little pop-up color on my lips, but also I look very glam. I did not apply mascara on my bottom lash lines because I don't know why. I just like to keep it like that, you know. And pretty much it. It's just like very simple. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys like this look. I hope this really helped you guys out. This is what I normally do. It's very easy, very simple to do. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.